Hello students, this is Lokesh Rathore with another chapter, Heron's formula. Chapter number 12 we are going to start today, that is Heron's formula. In earlier classes we have studied about, or you might have studied the area and the perimeter of some specific triangles or quadrilaterals. For example, we can say equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, square, trapezium, and so on. So in this chapter we'll be studying about the area and perimeter of specific and non-specific triangle and their application used in quadrilateral by Heron's formula. Okay, so the new thing we are going to learn today, that is Heron's formula. Okay, so in earlier classes whenever you find the area of triangle, there you had studied only about the area of right angle triangle. Okay, there we used a formula that is area of right angle triangle. So in that case you had studied the area of right angle triangle is equals to half into base into height. This formula you have learned in, from 6th class onward you have studied it. But here we will find non-specific area of triangle, area of non-specific triangle. Okay, so how can we find the area of non-specific triangle? Suppose if I say that you have a triangle with 3 different sides, so 3 different sides, then it would be what? Scalene triangle. Okay, we know that we have the formula of area of a scalene triangle, but this is not in our syllabus. So for that we'll use the Heron's formula. Okay, so let us see first understand some formulas. We'll recall some formulas that we have already learned. So area of triangle we have seen here 1/2 base into height. ये फॉर्मूला किस केस में यूज करेंगे हम? जब बेस और हाइट ऑलरेडी गिवन होगी और एंगल होगा 90 डिग्री. ओके, ओनली इन दिस केस यू हैव टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, नाउ second formula, we know that perimeter. So perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Okay, so we know that the perimeter. See, if I take a triangle with 3 different sides and sides I have taken A, B and C, and if I have to find its perimeter, then we know that perimeter equals to what? Sum of all sides. Okay, one more thing that you have to remember, that is perimeter always denoted by 2s. Okay, so 2s equals to sum of all sides means A plus B plus C, and we have to find in the Heron's formula we'll need the value of s. So s would be the semi perimeter. Okay, then this thing you should remember, semi perimeter means sum of all sides should be divided by 2. so इतना सा याद रखना हमको, सेमी perimeter s equals to a plus b plus c by 2. इस s का क्वेश्चन में यूज होगा. so s कैसे फाइंड करना है? This thing you have to remember. Okay, direct this formula will use directly. Okay, now next thing, that is Heron's formula, area of triangle by using. So next thing that is area of triangle by using Heron's formula. This thing we have to use in our chapter. So area of triangle by using Heron's formula is what? Square root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus 3, means 3 measurement of 3 sides a, b, c will be given, and first we find s. Okay, by using this formula, and after finding s, ABC already will have given, then we'll put the value. Means what you have to do? So Heron's formula किस केस में यूज करना है? जब ट्राइंगल राइट ट्राइंगल नहीं होगा. ओके, 3 साइड्स डिफरेंट होगी. ओके, तो हमको फर्स्ट क्या करना है? तीनों साइड्स को डिफरेंटली लेना है, ए बी सी, और फर्स्ट वैल्यू पुट करेंगे हम एस में, ए बी सी के वैल्यू पुट करके एस की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. उसके बाद एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल निकालेंगे ये फॉर्मूला से. यहाँ एस और ए बी सी के वैल्यू पुट करना है. दैट इज द थिंग वी हैव टू डू इन चैप्टर नंबर 12. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start exercise 12.1. So the first question is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. मतलब एक ट्रैफिक सिग्नल है, उस पे इंडिकेट है स्कूल अहेड, और उसकी साइड की मेजरमेंट है A. मीन्स वी हैव अ ट्राइंगल we have a triangle and its equilateral means its all side will be what? A. Okay, सारी साइड इसकी सेम होगी, साइड्स की मेजरमेंट गिवन है, A means all side would be A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So Heron's formula यूज करके सिग्नल बोर्ड का एरिया फाइंड करना है इसका. By using Heron's formula, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what is given? Its perimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? And we have to find the area of signal board. First, whatever we have given, so we'll write it. What is given? First, each side of signal board, it is given what? A. Means all side would be A. Means we have to take, here I am writing A would be A, B would be also A, and C would be also A, because all sides are same, and this would be taken as A, B, C. I think you understand. Okay, next thing that is given, perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle or signal board, it is given how much? 180 centimeter. As we know that perimeter of triangle means sum of all sides, means it is denoted by A plus B plus C equals to what? 180. Okay, one more thing, perimeter, it can be denoted by 2s. Before that I am solving it, A as it is, instead of B and C will put what? A and A. So A plus A would be 180. Then you know that A plus A become 3A equals to 180. When I divide 180 by 3, I'll get A equals to what? 60 centimeter. So A would be 60 centimeter definitely. B also what? 60 centimeter, and C it also be 60 centimeter. Understand? Because A, B, C all are having same measurement. Next thing that we have to find, that is A's. Okay, so A's, we know that A plus B plus C by 2. So directly we know that A plus B plus C equals to what? And 180. So 180 by 2, S will get what? 180 by 2 will get 90 centimeter. So why I am doing this? Because we have to solve it by using Heron's formula. And in Heron's formula, we need value of A, B, C as well value of S. Okay. Now we have the formula of area of triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, this is root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. And so we have value of S, also A, B, and C. So we'll put their values here. Let us see. So root as it is. Instead of S, I am taking what? 90. Again, between these two things and also between them, there is no sign, means we'll right, multiply. Okay, so instead of S, I'm putting down what? 90. Again, instead of A, I'm putting down what? 60 into S minus B. Again, 90 minus value of B, 60. S minus C, 90 minus 60. Okay, now what we have to do? See, 90 as it is into 90 minus 60, it become 30. 90 minus 60, again 30, and 90 minus 60, again we'll get what? 30. Okay, so how will solve it? One method is that you make just pair of this thing and take out common, and one more thing आपको करना क्या है, इनके factors बनाना है by using LCM method. आप जो method use करते थे पहले like 4, 2 and again by 2, ये method आपको use करना है. इन factors को यहाँ लिखना है, 2 2 का pair बनाना है. Okay, so एक तो डायरेक्ट इनके पेयर बना सकते हैं, बट आई एम नॉट मेकिंग डायरेक्टली बिकॉज यू विल गेट प्रॉब्लम आफ्टरवर्ड. सो आई एम सॉल्विंग इट बाय यूजिंग factors. Okay, so let us see what will I do. So instead of making factor, if you understand, I'm writing it 90. It can be splitted by 3 into 30. Okay, next thing we have 30 and 30. So 30 and 30 having two pairs, so one digit would be taken out. Okay, so 30 I am taking out and 30 I am again taking out, and in root I have only what? 3. So 90 into 90, sorry, 30 into 30 become 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the signal board. Now one more thing that I have to explain, that if here we know that the digit was very easy, so we'll be able to split them. Okay, but if in case the digit is different, then what will you do? If suppose we'll get here whatever, like if I get 28, then what will I do? So I'll make the pair of 28, 14, 7 and 7. So I'll write, instead of 28, I'll write for 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, understand? Then make the pair of two digit, take one digit as common, and then solve it. So this was the first question. Okay, now see question number